Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of 2 Minute Gyan by Agile Beyond Boundary. In this episode, I want to talk about how to make your backlog refinement work for you. To understand that, let us first quickly touch upon what backlog refinement is. It is basically just a process of converting steam to ice. What does this mean? Imagine when you start creating your product backlog. The whole backlog is in a state of steam. That means it is not yet fully formed. There is no concrete shape to it yet. Gradually, as it takes better shape, it turns to water. And then once you know very clearly about what you want to do, at least in the near term, it takes the form of ice. So typically, the more near-term requirements or user stories should be in the form of ice. And the further they out, they should be water and steam. Now let's come to what I mean by making your backlog refinement work for you. I've often seen teams not fully involved in the backlog refinement for various reasons. Essentially, all the reasons boil down to one common fact, that the teams have not realized how powerful the backlog refinement is and what are the benefits. So let us refresh what the benefits are of backlog refinement. One, it helps the entire team build a collective understanding of the backlog. A collective understanding is definitely better than individuals understanding it in different ways. Two, when you convert steam to water and then to ice, you start uncovering dependencies. So by the time you reach ice, the dependencies are usually thought through and before you actually commit. Three, it helps you understand the complexity of the work that you are getting into before making a commitment of that work. And four, when the backlog items are refined more thoroughly, the estimation accuracy usually increases, leading to better predictability. All these are really important benefits for which the team needs to understand the value. Now, how should the team participate in the backlog refinement? There is no one right way of doing it. But a quick thumb rule that I have found useful is to have one dedicated backlog refinement section every week. The session should last around 60 to 90 minutes. And remember, the aim is to convert steam to ice. So use the thumb rule depending on where you are in that journey from steam to ice. Some teams have a pushback saying that there are too many meetings and everybody getting involved in all the meetings just takes too much time. There you can follow a rule that in the steam phase or when converting steam to water, maybe just the BA, the UX lead and the tech lead can be present. But please note that when converting water to ice, the entire team needs to be present because it is, after all, a collective understanding of the backlog. These few quick tips will really help make the backlog refined and will help you uncover the benefits that we just mentioned. Hope you like these quick tips and let me know your thoughts around backlog refinement and if there are any other challenges that you have faced, and I'll be happy to talk about it. You can visit this video and similar others on our channel. Thank you.